Today we are going to review an amazing portable TWS flame speakers by Nuled. Nuled is a tech brand that designs and manufactures world-class tech products and accessories, which has rapidly expanded in many countries, all of which are equipped with the latest technology and outstanding performance to enhance the user experience. And in this video we are going to take a look on their portable TWS flame speakers that will amaze you. Before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more details. Nuled outdoor flame speakers come in very beautiful and solid box. It is equipped with 2 synchronized Bluetooth and surround stereo sound technology, IP65 waterproof, portable, up to 15 hours playtime and 60 hours standby time. Let's unbox it and see package contents. In the box you can find 2 shepherd hooks, 2 flame atmosphere lamp wireless speaker, 2 S-shaped hooks, 2 USB charging cable, 2 pair of small poles, 2 plastic plugs, wall clips and a user manual. NULED wireless outdoor speaker is not only a speaker, but also an atmosphere lamp, decoration lantern or nightlight. It exhibits an elegant finish in the black color. It is a compact and lightweight in design made of high-quality materials. NULED flame atmosphere speakers can bring crisp clear music and exciting lighting effects with LEDs. Each LED flickers warm yellow lights, forming a stunning flame and mimicking extremely realistic and natural dancing flames. At top of the speaker some functional buttons and a hanger. At one side there is brand logo and other side you can find USB Type-C charging slot. Now let's talk about its functions. There are 4 buttons around the light key. This is for power on and off. Short press of minus button volume will decrease and long press will go to previous track. Short press plus button will increase the volume and long press will play next track. Short press this button to pause or resume playing. Short press the light key for first time, the lamp light will turn on. Short press the light key for second time to turn on the night light and for long press to adjust brightness or darkness of the night light. Short press the light key for third time, the night light goes out and the cycle repeats in sequence. Long press power button for 2 seconds, the blue LED indicator flashing and there will be a beep. This means the speaker is on pairing mode. Now connect your phone with the speaker. Find and choose NU20p in the Bluetooth settings of the phone. After the connection is successful, the flashing blue light changes to solid and accompanied with a beep. For dual speaker use, power on both speakers and press power buttons for 2 seconds. The blue LED indicator flashing with a beep. Once both speakers are power on and on pairing mode, they will pair to each other automatically. Nuled flame atmosphere speakers is resistant to light rain, sand, and spills, and an excellent speaker for pool parties, beach parties, and hiking, camping, etc. Every outdoor wireless speaker comes with a ground stake, hook, and wall mount kit. You can have it stand in your garden or beach, hang it on your camping tent, trees, or patios, or mount it on the wall or porch. Nuled flame atmosphere speakers come with built-in rechargeable 1800 mAh battery that allows you to enjoy 15 hours non-stop favorite music. Built-in 10W audio and enhanced bass drivers offer full high-definition stereo sound and clear audio with impressive volume. So, this was today's review, hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please subscribe to our channel and hit bell notification icon for upcoming videos.